Sound world, sound world, sound world, sound world. Rope in. One more video. One more video. I'm gonna see me abundant the players with this other gun, man. Jaja. Can see Porter again. Alright. One more video. Been getting some comments. First of all, big up to all I subscriber them. You see me I say? Big up to all I man them who click the bell. You know what I mean? And then it is sitting where I say all. Big up on yourself. Big up to the new subscriber them. If you not just a subscribe, make sure you click the bell. If you not subscribe yet, do one for do, you know. Cause you know I miss out a whole heap, you know. Do one for do. Alright. Been getting a whole heap of comments and a whole heap of feedback and a whole heap of hope a little sitting go on. Me now get a lot of time for the videos, but we'll do one today. Seeing? I want me a call, I want to cut close. Soon know why. Me get a couple comments and me fi do one crossover. Do a crossover tuning. To be honest, me just I go do a full try to do a full set out on a crossover. You see me I say? And just go through crossover to a mid-verb to a crossover or whatever. I don't know. I just I got put some gears together and try to do that. I have some right this right now. I have some right this so. You see me? So look out for that video there. That video there I gonna be the next video. Crossover, tune in your crossover and whatever. See? Man say me fi show him. Me fi do a video upon crossover, how fi tune on range, how fi tune this, how fi tune that. We're gonna do that video there next. So what we have here today, we have them here. Quarter jack, TS, tip and sleeve. You see me? And we have the old boy here, where we did build for a long time. And me get a comment and a man said to me, say, as a matter of fact, he call me and he say, pull up when I jack them on your bill. Scratch made me. I say, what to them money, man? Them money, I want me to do some sitting in the man. Pull up when I jack them. Man say, yeah, I want to see how sturdy jack be. I say, oh. Go and pull up one of them show today. See? You know start ravel out, you know start screech, you know start doing nothing yet, you know ready yet. Jump rope me I use display. You understand? Yeah, but today I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Or 2 stones with 1 bird. Something I got. Something I got. So we start right there, so as we say we have them here. I'm going to build some jack for your customer right now. You see me I say? You call that video your cut close. Because me get enough comments. Look like a 3 bird this today with 1 stone, you know. Look like a 3 bird, you know. You know why? A man said to me, say, pull up when I jack them. We'll pull up when I jack them today. And next man said to me, say, do a crossover video. A crossover video now I'm going to do today. But the next man said to me, say, yo, watch you know. He want know what you do when you not have the small heat shrink. Him have the big heat shrink cable and me want what him can do to eliminate the wire them in the jack. Get touch and rear and you know what I mean? Cross connection. So me tell him say just cut them short. Solder them short. You understand? Use the insulation. Use the insulation with upon the wire as the shrink. All you have to do is cut them short. You understand what I say? So we are going to call this cut short. I call that video cut short building cable. I don't know. Something like that. So here goes. Seeing? We go straight into this one. Seeing? Watch out now. Yeah man, him there. Wire stripper there. At first, when you start strip, you can strip tall. You see me? You can strip tall. You can strip way taller than that. You can strip all the way down there so. You see what I say? Then now when you put on the solder upon it, you go cut it off, you go clip it off. According to what you want it. You see me? But the first thing to do is this. You measure how much wire I go actually in the housing part of the jack. You understand? So you do that, you go some booms and you send that down there, you say this or that there. I always do this, I'm going to show now again. You go some boom and you send the wire them down there. You notice say them tall. You see me? We have pieces left out. That's not a big deal because we go cut them short. You see me? We can cut them a little bit shorter than that. You understand? But it really not necessary. In this video, or in this case, we don't have to watch out for now because these two, them insulated already. What we have to go watch out for is the ground. Because if the ground tall enough, it will be able to go in one go and maybe go touch on one of the other wire then, which we don't want that. So me I say, so boom, that. Next thing you wanna do, you bring up that guy here. And don't forget to put on. Don't forget to do it all while. See me? Alright, so you come some now booms and you throw in the cable. And you come some booms and you slide up that guy there. And you notice say that kind of too much. You see me I say? You can go so boom and push that part of the cable down there so you know. But with doing that, we're going back to what I said before. Be careful of this guy now, the ground cable. Because when you come so boom, you see me? And send that down there. Alright. Straighten him out. And you come so boom and you send him down there. That's alright, you know, because him going buck right there, so you know. That's alright. And the ground cable no bend up. But when you come so booms, forget the exterior insulation down there. You see me I say? So that's when you put in that guy, it can come and clamp this up. That's the cable now draw out. The ground cable now, the ground cable do that. The ground cable bend. Now you have to watch that. Because when the ground cable bend, it will go intend for touch. Whether the red one or the white one. It's not a big deal if you touch the white one. Too tough because the white one I chassis ground. Or this one I chassis ground and that one on next ground. Not a big deal if you touch the white one. But if you touch the red one now, you know say I got a problem. You understand? Yeah. I'm just a fully output this up. And nothing now go come out of the jack there. If anything come out, it barely come out and it go home. You understand? So we can go ahead and use tape on the ground. For man them when I really like for shorten the termination. You see me I say? We can go ahead and use tape, electrical tape on the ground, just a piece of tape around him and him good to go. Or you can do like what me do. You test him first and him total draw for this guy. Cut him down. You test him again in just about right. And then you send that guy down there. See the amount of cable there where that guy I go hold. That's not sufficient enough. You come so again. And you cut him down. As a matter of fact, I go cut down only the ground. Only the ground. You don't necessarily need if you cut down the live or the red one and that one no more. You don't necessarily need to do that. Let's say the red one and the white one was the same size, same length as the ground. See where ground back there. right down there. So when you push down that guy, him have enough cable for grab on pan. You see me I say? And the reason why you don't necessarily need to cut the red one and the white one is because they are them already insulated, and we're gonna strip them right there. So when we strip them right there, so now them can bend and do what they want to do if them tall enough in there. Even if them tall, they can bend because them not gonna touch no way. You see me I say? The grown one now gonna do a lot of bending because we cut him down short. You understand what I'm talking about? So we're gonna proceed now into the soldering. Take out back this little guy. Put him down there, so. This guy right there, so. That guy there, him hold this little guy for me. See? So, we're gonna proceed into the soldering now. You see me? We're gonna strip off the white one. We're gonna strip off the red one. Use the knife. Take off insulation. See there? See there? Alright. Get your solder gun. And remember, gentlemen, when I do soldering, I'm gonna apply solder to both pieces. Apply solder to this guy right here, and then to the wire. Then not mend the two together without applying any more solder. Understand? Alright, so we're gonna apply some solder now to the wire. And if you can see this, I want to see this now. We do it already, but we're gonna do it again because the general them asks for it. See? So see there. See me? I want to give you closer to very close to there. So let me adjust the video call it camera phone. Yeah, see there? That the right on the wire now. Yeah man, now see everything. You adjust that. Alright, we are going to apply some solder flux to the wire. Catch a level now. See it? Come this again. And once my solder start warming, I no bother put the solder wire, the solder flux itself on the gun, I put it on the wire. Once the wire warm up, I put the solder flux on the wire. And this is the result. This is the result. See it? Yeah man. I forgot to solder the ground one, but some of solder the ground one and I'll soak some solder on him, see? And you can also solder or cut the ground one a little bit shorter, because as me say, we don't want that guy go nowhere. Alright, this is where cut close come in now. You see, once me do this and run some solder upon the wire them, my next move, cut him down very close to the insulation. red one also. Very close. See? And don't be scared if you cut them down there. You know what I mean? Because when you apply the solder gun to the wire, what will happen is the solder gun itself, the wire will get hot and it will shrink up a little bit more. You understand me I say? Wire will get hot, it will shrink up some more. So you don't really want to leave too much wire hanging out. You understand? Because that will give you option for bend and go where they want to go and do what they want to do, and you don't really want that. You want the whole thing insulated. You understand? So we are called that video cut close. So we put back that little guy now upon that little pliers stand. Make it tool and work for you. Take a sip out a guinea pig. You put him back up there. Draw off your solder gun. You apply solder to this guy. Like that. Some solder they on it, but more some fresh solder and a little bit more solder upon it. See? Apply solder. See? And then you turn him and do the same thing. Continue the process and you apply the solder. So may I say? Yes sir. And that is the result. See the result there? Clean and nice. You understand? Alright. On these ends, then come numbered. See, you have 1, 2, and 3. You understand? I did tape up that one already. But I want to try to show you a thing on this original, because the original, when me I do it, right now I know which is which. I know it's the number 2 I live. You understand what I say? But I'm going to show you. I want to try to find one way. I know me build. That are going to be difficult because a long time. Alright. I think I may build this too, you know. I may build that. But I have one yellow one somewhere. Alright. Let's see if me. Right, here we go. See this here now? I know me build that. But check the level. On what I go on now. If you notice, it not bad enough. No bash nobody, because the yellow one and the red one and the white one, they're far from each other. You see what I say? But to me it could a little bit closer. Not really that it could a little bit closer. It's like let me show you. The insulation on the red one gone too far, too much wire exposed. So the red one, if it bend far enough, you can go over this, so go touch the white one almost. So me I say, and that way I try to avoid. See me? Then they put on heat shrink on the black one, which is perfect. You know what I mean? But so see it now. And if you not do it, and the numbers them not have no numbers on it. If them not have no numbers on it, if the terminal them, the XLR them on the buy not have no number on it, try get one of the original and you can do that. You see what I say? You put the new end where I make when I have no number on it in a that like so. And then you realize that this one right here, that one would have match with correspond with that. So this would be the red one. And like me say, The red one, when you now go see the number, but the red one are always number 2. Number few, my language. Alright, so we're going to proceed now to solder up that one. And I'm going to make the old wire or the new wire. When I just plug it in, I'm going to make that hold it for me. So the red one always go number 2. The live always go number 2. Live, positive, red, whatever you want to call it. It go a number few. See, kind of feel so I'm going to take out that and do my thing. Turn him that way then. Check this out. We apply solder to this. And we apply solder. My wire kind of short, you know, the soldering gun wire. Plug in way over one part over so. See, I can't turn it too short, I can't see it. Set it one way or I definitely can't see it. I don't know if that's possible. But anyways, see it now. Next move. Apply your solder gun to whichever one of them until the solder get watery. Then you apply the wire. Hold him for a couple seconds and I'm done. Check this out now. You see how close? You see how close the insulation there? We almost have no insulation. We almost have no wire exposed there, so. No wire exposed. The insulation the right down there. You understand what I say? We call that cut close. The white one, I go in the middle. Same procedure. And the ground one, I go around this one. You see me? Yeah. When we get this wire done now, when we get this cable done, I mean, we don't see the procedure already. So when we get this cable done, and the red, as a matter of fact, this is a XLR to XLR cable. This is a XLR to XLR. So I build 2 XLR to XLR and 2 XLR to TS, which is tip and sleeve, quarter jack. I build 2 of them there, 2 XLR to XLR, and then I go build 2 XLR to TS. When we done build the XLR to XLR, we are going to come back to the video and I'm going to show you what to do when we reach the TS section. You see what I say? So, stay tuned, you know. I'm not going away, you know. See me on here? See me on finger. Stay tuned. Oh. Alright, wait. Before we go away, I'm not going to do nothing. What you not like. Make we finish that part first. See end result there? Focus now, camera. See it there? See it? Insulation then they way down. Now we are going to put this in another part here. That's when I realize I don't know joke thing. I don't know. Me not hide and see it there? You see we go in. Boom, 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 boom. That buck. Me not have to push the cable down there no more. And if I do, that are the bend, or the ground one I go get. Now I'm giving it close. So the bend where the ground one I go get. It not get much bend. See? And when that happen now, it give this guy, that guy, more insulation for the whole hand pan. Exterior insulation pan the cable. For grab on pan. So therefore, when you put on the other end, the locking end, which is this end here. When you put that on and screw him on, him a go clamp the cable like so. So you can't, get that tug there, get that draw there on these terminal, on them up here. So you understand what I say? So I make sure I do that part I'm gonna see. See it now. Slide them in. If you don't want, as long as you don't cut them close, if you don't want, push the cable down there like how me do it, you can push it down. If you don't want to make it stay so, you can make it stay straight. Can see there? The ground now will touch nobody. You understand me I say? Yeah. See it? You understand me? The ground now will touch nobody. So if you don't want to push it down there, you can push it down. If you don't want to push it down, that's cool also, because you're going to have enough insulation for the exterior piece to hold on to. See? So me do that. I'm going to go some bumps. I slide that down there. I'm going to go some bumps. Tighten him up. And you're ready to play a jump rope. See? Yeah. Yeah. After a day or two, when you screw off this, you can see the impression. You can see the impression with this a piece left on the cable. Almost a seat already. You understand? Because when you tighten on this, when you go down there, it pull them together and them grab the cable. See? So that done. So join me back now, or join me forward. Join me forward when me finish up this XLR to XLR. Male part, I put on the female part. And then me go do the XLR to TS. So now I go see when me do this side. So I know what to do when you catch that part. Yeah. You understand? Yeah man, stay there. Alright, sit down now. Next part, this as we all don't know how we apply solder to wire already. I will make sure we apply some solder to the both ends of this. We are going to do the termination. And we are ready to go. Make sure you say your wire. Daddy. Yes, Devlin. Give me a second, please. Sure, say wire can slide through that. And as a matter of fact, you can go ahead and use the pliers and open it up a little bit more, because at the end of the day we're going to use this right here. We're going to use this just like we would use the little plastic thing in the XLR to grab the wire. We're going to use this here to grab the wire. This is not just for decoration, gentlemen. You know what I mean? And this have to know, because a lot of we know. See? So when you slide the wire through that, like that, and do your termination, your soldering, then you're going to use your pliers and bend these two pieces here over the wire, over the cable, or over the conductor, and hold it. So even if you do this, you're not tugging on those pieces, because right as I go clamp. See? So here goes. Here goes. Guys, you need to calm down. Evelyn and Jada.
Okay, Daddy.
Alright. Side of the light. I'm a little bit sharp so we get closer to the camera. And like we say, we apply the solder already. So all we have to do, warm up the solder. And we're done. Dev. That's great. Go get your sippy cup, Devlin, and stop being a punk right now.
I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Yes. No, I'm not. Yes. No, I'm not, Dada.
Set that part straight.
I'm not.
And we do this.
No. Yes, you're gonna go get your sippy cup. I'm
And that's that. See me I say? Now I'm not gonna miss nothing now. See it now?
Daddy, I didn't open the door.
Very clean. You understand?
Jim, you got it?
Very, very clean.
Daddy.
We'll go use this little guy here. Go bend that piece over the cable.
You did it?
Go bend this piece again
No, like that. Put it back.
over the conductor.
So,
Right?
I can do it.
Make sure him nice and tight. Snug.
Do it. I thought
Bend him
was
like that.
no.
Bend him like that.
I thought it.
And there you go.
Daddy, that's all.
Hello! Jada, go sit down. Devlin, go get your sippy cup. Go sit down. See there? Well clean, you know? Yeah, man. And then now, for who is worried about this guy here, when you go so, cause me know as me I build the cable and I say, yo, they know a metal piece. When you go so now, and throw that over there, so man I say, yo, then this now go touch right there. So the TS ends them when you buy them, when you purchase them, it comes with that right there. See there? You can see it? And you slide that little tube right down there. Me personally, I like to tape this end. You see me I say? Just put a piece of black tape around this end. But you don't have to, because that little plastic ring can come through this end. You understand? So you slide this over the cable.
Daddy.
Devlin.
I don't touch the milk now.
Oh, okay. You slide that over the cable like that. Slide it down there. Slide him over that guy.
Fuck, I shut the door.
Tighten him up. And that's it.
But go shut the door.
You know what I mean?
Daddy.
Done that done. Yeah. We that.
Daddy.
Yes, Devlin.
I don't know what
Alright. Check this out now. I think me shoot 2 birds already. So this will be bird number 3. For general, we say pull up back one night, new trick them. Me can't believe me I do this. But the reason why me I do it is because me I use this jack for build one. So we pull up back on the XLR jack them. See? Alright. See there? I totally take him apart, tear him down. You understand? We pull him apart. See there? That is what the guy look like right now. Very sturdy. You know what I mean? And this is one of them that was heat shrink and insulated. You know what I mean? So I hit that, my general. And see the impression on the cable, eh? See which part this piece they go grab up. You see what I say? Yeah. This piece is hang on upon him real nice. You understand what I say? So see there? Yeah, man. So I have to go cut him off right there so now. I have to cut him off right there so. And then I have to go use the solder gun and warm up the heat shrink to get him off. You know what I mean? Because it not going to just come off like that, yo. Warm up the shrink and then clean him up, get off all of the old solder and rebuild. You understand what I say? Yeah. I hate that. Alright.
I would be right here. You are dead.
Yeah, so with it. TS ends. We forgot for video when we do the soldering. But basically what happens, is, so the ground right there
Whoa.
and the white one
It got me.
would go together.
Put it back on.
So what I say? And then the red one will go on that terminal here, which that terminal is this one. So the white one and the ground one would be the sleeve. You see me? The red one is the tip. Yes. See what I say?
Yeah.
That's it for that. Now I mean, we're gonna do this like how we do the like I showed you guys before. Roll over the clamp
Now.
like that. Hold the insulation.
You put this in the trash.
You see me?
It looks like the fuck. It looks like a booty animal.
And there you go.
And there you go. It's gonna
Simple and easy.
It's gonna make
You slide this guy on
uh,
and you slide that guy
put
on.
it in the trash again.
And this
Oh,
one
no.
is
Fix it.
XLR to TS. And these I'm building for a customer. Know what I mean? So this go into the drive rack. This is gonna be an output
This needs
into drive rack, and that's going into one of his amplifiers.
Don't touch it.
Easy build.
Dad,
Is
no,
it?
don't touch it.
Yeah.
And you're never gonna have
Easy,
it.
easy
You can
build.
have this one, if you can have this one. No,
Simple.
if you want this
Easy
one,
build. And he's got enough cable
I ran.
to go a great distance into his amp rack. A lot of cable. So I say, I make sure I give him enough.
Those
So if him decide to make changes in his rack, him not have cable that are gonna be short or anything. And these cables all have a different color for a different purpose. I mean, the colors don't mean anything when it comes to what they're doing. It's just that he's gonna, yes.
I want my daughter milk.
Didn't you just get talked about?
Yeah. Me too.
So he's gonna color code the inside of his amp rack.
I put
And
it in the
one of the reasons why
No,
I bought these cables, and they're noise cancelling also. The reason why I bought these is because he's gonna be actually video calling me to help him, and I didn't really want to go and buy all black cables because I don't want input that end of this so, and then reach over this. So I say, nah man, I don't want him to draw through the whole cable. You see what I say?
I see you.
So we went and we color coded
I don't.
the cables. We bought orange, yellow, blue, and green. Know what I mean? So that are him right there, so him good. When we done them, I'm gonna show you what them look like installed upon the driver. I understand. You know say Guinness done bro. Guinness done my Bex. What's I know?
Here's the way.
What's I know?
You,
All cables finished.
Daddy, just take it.
And that's the way it's gonna be. Except
I have to twist it.
that green one there go there, the blue one there, blue one over there, over there. So. But we just fit them into the equipment. If you snap a picture or a video or whatever and send it to the owner or the customer because they're anxious. And that's how we color
You
code.
never get this book.
This one's coming from the output of
You know the star. We
the
will.
mid-verb, goes into the drive rack,
A fire truck.
and all of these from the drive rack, all
It's
6,
not.
is going out into his amplifiers.
Yep.
The
It's a
output
car.
though,
No,
or
it's
the
not.
input for the mid-verb, I haven't made that one yet. So, as we say,
Dwayne.
Jada,
He didn't say it was a fire truck.
and the problem is,
It was a car.
okay, both of y'all annoy me too much.
I tell you
I don't
that.
want to hear. See that? One more happy customer, isn't it? Yep.
It has a phone on it.
Don't know where you go. So for all our who no subscribe,
But you didn't
Do the right thing. Click the notification bell. There's somewhere over that side there. You see me? And then when you click the notification, you're going to see all. You're going to see this and you click all. You understand? Yeah. Subscribe to the page. Do the right thing. Share. Like. You know what I mean? All of that good stuff. You understand what I say? Invite the general them, the sound man them. You know what I mean? On the page. You get me I say? Big up to all I man them way. So, could both of y'all leave me alone for a second? Go sit down. There's nothing for you here. Go. 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 I don't. Go. Yeah, man. So,
Here go, Daddy.
I eat that this one. You understand what I say? I'll not subscribe yet. Do the right thing. Click it. Subscribe to the channel. The crossover video now I'm gonna do today. So tomorrow now I'm gonna do one of them day I'm gonna do the crossover video. You see it? I eat that right there so. Until then, big up on yourself. Stay safe. No burn up nothing. Make it jack right. Eat well. Out.